we interrupt normal programming to bring you an announcement from His Majesty's government. This is BBC One from London. There have been countless reports of zombie-like people roaming around. We do not know if they are hostile or not, but please stay home. This is BBC One from London. It appears that the zombie-like people are hostile. Please do the following: lock your doors, collect 14 days worth of food, and don't panic. This is BBC One from London. It appears that the zombie-like people are in the following cities. In the UK, Leeds, London, Birmingham, and Belfast. This is BBC One from London. All clear. There are no more zombies. The UK is saved. There will be a BBC News special tonight at 6 p.m. Normal programming will now resume.